I just received my Shein order. I am so excited because I was not even expecting it so soon. I ordered this on Sunday and it's a Friday today. They're already here. And I just want to quickly do the unboxing with you guys. Quick unboxing. I'm not even gonna fit them. I'm just gonna show you what's inside, because I was actually busy with something, but I just wanted to quickly do this with you guys. So yeah, let's quickly get into it and do this haul. It's just an excitement because I am busy doing something else, but because I just want to see, I wanted to do this with you. And the other thing, the things that are here are for me and Zintle. So Uzintle doesn't want to wait. So that is why I just thought, let me do it with you guys as well. So yo guys, customs for this package was so expensive. Tell me why I paid almost 1,000 rands for customs. I paid 958 for this parcel, for this size of a box. This size, I paid 958. It's so expensive. Next time, I know, a colleague of mine told me that I need to separate if I want to buy a lot of stuff, because this is 34 items. So if I want to buy a lot of stuff, I should have bought shoes separate, because now there's 2 pairs of shoes here. So that is why it was quite expensive. So now I know. Okay, I don't know. Do you want me to show them yours as well? You don't want them to see yours? I'll phone please. Okay, Uzintle and Bonnie says like, I don't know if this are same. And there's our connect.
Yo!
Let me see.
I see. Yo. So
Can I show them?
No. As cute.
It's not bad.
Guys.
Who's it about this loafer? I don't think they're cute, but the material.
No, Nala, why is it around the sun?
No, it's plastic. How much was this thing?
206. I remember.
Plastic kesana ke no. Yo, hey, but okay. If you're saying you only bought these things for work, then yeah, I guess. I also bought myself loafers.
Who is a kawaii is a
oh, mine, they look expensive. I know, then you said mine are not beautiful.
Why is a
yes, because mine, look, guys. As long as it came with this plastic and mine came with a dust bag. You see? And mine looks so expensive, guys. Mine was 300 and something. I think it was 310, or if maybe I will order. But now I'm using my phone.
Oh, yeah.
Because if I was using a different phone, I was gonna open the app and tell you exactly how much each item was. But mine, I remember it was 300 and something, and they look so beautiful. And the time I chose these shoes, Uzintle said, nah.
I didn't.
You did.
I did not.
You did. You even chose the other one.
No,
Mamela, let's on sold out. I can show you.
Between lazy or lazy.
Because the thing is,
yes,
but you can tell lazy after so choose the lazy. Yo, I love mine, Shem. J, they look beautiful. Size 35. I am size 3. So size 35 is size 3. So yeah, but that's the big man.
Where are you, Papa?
I am size 35. Yours?
Ngiphezulu.
Ziyangibamba but ziyangena. Ngiyakwazi ukuzenza zivuleke. That's that. And what is this?
What's that?
This is yours.
What's that?
It's a dress.
Uh-uh.
It's not yours.
Hey?
Ooh. If it's mine, I was not expecting the material to be like this. This is just a straight cut dress with a ripped material. On the app, I thought it was the thick material.
Makhulu.
Kushuthi nawo uzowaninga
Another
mina.
cute show.
Kushuthi uzowaninga mina give makhulu.
You're a fake tish.
Awungathi tissue, I bought these things. Bongafuni ngizithenge. I bought these things. And she didn't want me to buy these things. And I know that in this household we have small feet. So I bought this thing. Most of our shoes are big. Even if you buy, I'm size 4 and 3. Sometimes I buy size 4, it's big. Sometimes size 3 is big. So that's why I bought these things. So it's gonna come in handy with those shoes. So this dress, I'm so disappointed. I was not expecting this kind of material, but Shein, you must expect anything. I'm not gonna show you this. Eyogeza.
Awazi, awazi.
Angibabonisi leyo. I'm not gonna show you.
Must throw now.
Yeah, no, these ones I saw. And I bought the glass straws. I have the gold ones and I wanted the glass ones. It's 3 with, it's 4. 4 straight, 2 straight and the banded one. 2 and with the cleaning brush.
That's mine.
Must I show them?
No.
Okay, Uzit doesn't want me to show you. It's a dress.
Yeah,
it's the one that I said it looks the same.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Zinta's dress. I'm not gonna show you. And
That's yours.
This is yours as well. What's this?
Oh, it broke. Yeah, you can show them the pants.
Why? Ooh. Okay, and these pants, formal pants for Z. Is it brown?
Yes, it's brown.
Okay. Formal pants for Z. And these are mine, leggings. I bought these leggings. Okay. I was not expecting this material as a Josie, but I was not expecting this material, but
reviews.
no, I did. But ibamba kahle, like it tightens you and your butt comes out. But again, because it's something that I'm gonna wear indoors, it's a lounge wear. I also bought top here corner. Let me see. Yeah, I also bought this for these leggings. This one I saw from Auntie T. I watch Auntie T's vlog. If you know Auntie T, Tandim Zamo. I saw this one. La ezandleni, it's the one that you wear and you put your fingers like this. I saw if Auntie T. Auntie T is not gonna watch.
You never know.
Auntie T is not gonna watch my vlogs. I wanted to say, if Auntie T you are watching, you are the one who inspired me. You influenced me to buy this thing. Thank you so much. And yeah, I bought this thing for these leggings. And this dress is
mine.
No, Nama bought something like this. I don't know if this one is yours but I bought something like this one is mine. Okay, I bought this dress as well. It's a long dress with a slit on the side. This material is also ripped. It's a ripped material. It's better than the first one. The first one, the quality is not that good. Not even that good. It's not good. And I bought this shirt. I love this shirt so much. I've been wanting to buy.
But you have something like this.
I have something like this, but the size, I wanted a bigger size.
Give me that one.
That one fits me.
Give
like
me that
it's my actual size. So I wanted, you know, I bought a. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Exactly how I pictured it. I wanted a bigger size. I think I bought. I'm size medium and I bought large. Yo, I wish I could tell you how much, but okay. Yo, this one is very nice. Love, 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 love this one. I think this is my dress. Did I buy a dress like this in color? Oh, it's a trouser. I also bought this trouser, guys, but it looks short. Is this mine? Or yours?
It's yours. What is holding on?
No, because it has this elastic. It's mine, and I bought in size petite small. But I'm also short. Yeah, it's gonna fit me. I love this one as well. Just a long semi-casual. I don't know. I'll see how I wear that one.
That's mine. That's mine. Don't show them.
Let me just show them. It's cute, this thing. I loved it for myself as well. This one, it's a jumpsuit for Lady Z. It's very cute. I love it. I can buy it for myself as well, that one, but make it a bigger size. This one, is it yours?
Yeah, it's yours. That dress.
Oh, okay, guys, you know what happened with this dress? I didn't notice. So after I've made the order and paid everything, I saw that I bought 2 of these dresses. Exactly the same color, same size. And when I wanted to exchange it, because I had an option to exchange, when I wanted to exchange, Shein, Usile only gave me options. Amabi, only ugly dresses, and this one, I remember the price was 174 for this dress, and I could only exchange with something that's above 200 rand, and ugly dresses. I couldn't even take anything from those dresses. We had an option of changing the color and the size, so we changed the color and the size. So it took a different color, same dress, because what were we gonna do? Like, instead of buying something we don't like just in the name of exchanging, no, it was not gonna work. So yeah, this one is mine. Uzintle took a different color. Let me see if I can get that one.
Let's see, Lola.
Let's see if it's, yeah, I think this is the dress. Hello. Oh no, this one is a different one. This one is mine.
Yeah, this is yours.
But I was not thinking ukuthi material inje. Don't laugh, because I know this dress. If it's the same dress that I saw, because I saw it from Uzo, and I even told her that, girl, I love your dress and I'm gonna take it. So yeah, I think it's the same. When you're wearing it, it looks very nice. So yeah, let's hope it's gonna fit me nicely.
Yes.
So this is Zintle's dress, the one that looks exactly like this. So we changed the color and the size. Zintle took extra small. Yo, it looks beautiful on this color, ne? It looks, I'm jealous now, it looks beautiful on this color. And I wanted this one initially. I wanted this color, I don't know, because I thought, because I bought this one, I bought the other one, but it's very nice. Even black is fine. This one is yours. Uzintle bought a sweater. And this one is mine. When did you buy a dress like this?
That's mine. Yeah, I'm live.
Yeah, extra
Thank you.
small.
That's mine. Love it.
And I love this thing. Ne? When I saw it on the app, I loved it. I just pray that it looks exactly like on the app when I open it, because Shein, I saw this and I was like, I am taking it. It's a 2-piece. It's very nice. It's a 2-piece. The top is like this, and the trouser, I love it. I love this 2-piece. I love this trouser, and I took a little bit bigger size because I want it to be baggy. I don't want it to fit me. I love it. The quality is good. What's this? Oh, these are the bodysuits. I bought the sets of the bodysuits. It's in color black.
It was 250 something.
Yeah, it was 200 and something. 250.
54.
Yeah. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. It's brown. It's gray. I love this gray. Black. And white. So I hope they fit me nicely.
That's mine.
Is this yours?
Huh? Yeah,
What is this?
the dress. The orange.
Okay. This is this dress I'm not gonna show you. Oh, I also bought the sunglasses.
Oh no, just
Woo! Yo, they look so nice, guys. I love this game. Again, my sunglasses. We are best friends. I love this. I love them so much. I even forgot that I bought sunglasses. And this shoe extender. The shoe extender is the one that I showed you. I bought 2 of these. The first one and also this. This one is for your shoes at the back. If you wanna make your shoes fit you quite nicely at the back, you put this on the heel, and this one comes to your ankle. Usually this one works with your high heels. This one, it works with your sneakers. Zintle should say thanks to me because now she's gonna use them on these loafers. She's gonna use them top my favorite pair. And what are these?
Oh, listen to that.
Oh, I also bought this for when I wash my face. This one, it's your headband, and this one is for here. You put it like this. It prevents water from dripping all the way through your elbows. And what is this?
Oh, yum.
What is it? Okay. No, this is my headband as well. Also got this headband. I love this. If you know me, you know me by now. I did it in njibaba, so I like hiding my njibaba with these. And I also bought Sana. What is this?
Oh, listen.
Yo,
Why is this?
Why? Yo, Sana, I thought this was big. I even said no, these ones are cheaper. The ones from but it's nice, ne? For a smaller nyana vase. Yeah. But I thought they were bigger than this. But I'm gonna get them a smaller nyana vase. Yeah, sure. Okay, it's fine. They were cheap. I think this one was 39 rands, ne? Yeah, I think this was 39 rands. So, okay, it's fine. And we also bought earrings. This is the set of earrings. Konja, what's the original?
Katia.
I bought this Cartier from Shein, Sana. Don't judge, I don't have money to buy the originals. So this one comes with a bangle. It comes with a bracelet. Comes with a bracelet and a ring and a necklace and
necklace.
yeah, Moshek. Yeah, Pumikal. And the earrings. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear these earrings though.
Me too.
I don't think I like the earrings. I loved the bracelet and the necklace. And this one, it's also nice as well. And what else? Why do I feel like these things is they are short? This necklace. And these are my earrings as well. I thought
Let
they
me
were
touch my earrings.
map.
Ish.
When now you bought this thing that I don't like. And we bought double, you remember? I think I want my earrings. You? Up here. I was going to touch my earrings. But these are the earrings. And the so it's either I bought these and I thought they were bigger. I think I bought these, but I didn't know that the size is like this. Also bought this bangle. I like this bangle and I hope the color stays like this. But knowing Shein Sana is obviously a color. I love this so much. How do you open it? Love this. And also this bracelet as well. It looks nice. It looks pretty. So yeah, guys, that's that on our Shein haul. And my favorite item of them all, guys.
Obviously, 2-piece.
This shirt is my favorite. The quality and it is exactly what I thought it would be. And this 2-piece, I love it. I must fit it, and I just pray that it is exactly how I imagine it. And yeah, I love this so much. I can wear this with heels, I can wear this with sneakers, I can wear this with the sandal. It's versatile. I also love my loafers. I'm not disappointed here. And yeah, I also love this top. And the review said you must buy a smaller size because it stretches. And the quality of this material is very good. So I love this one as well. So yeah, guys, that's that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. I am so excited. Shein, that was very quick. It was 4 days actually. I'm not even counting a Sunday because we ordered in the afternoon, and Friday it was here around 2 o'clock. I am happy, guys. And I think tomorrow I also ordered something on Takealot, but I opted for a collection. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go there tomorrow. I'm gonna go on Monday. I think I'm gonna go on Monday, and I'm gonna show you what I got on Takealot as well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this haul. Let me fit my clothes, but unfortunately I'm not gonna show you that part. And yeah, I'll be Hi guys, I just came back I'm on my way home. I'm coming from China Mall. I went to get myself some curtains and I will show you when I get home. I also bought myself a rug. I will show you everything when I get home. I'm so hungry right now. The way ngilambeng akhona ngathi ngingathola ikota, ngilambela ikota. I think I'm gonna go to Shein right now to go get myself a kota. I also wanted to go to a paint shop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna able to get there on time because it's 20 to 4 right now. I think they're closing at 5. So yeah, if I can get there on time, I'm gonna pass by a paint shop in Kempton Park and then
cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky as we pass by with joy.
Hi guys, hello. I'm tired. I am hungry. I just got myself something to eat. I thought I was gonna go to Shein to go get myself ikota because the way ngilambeng akhona, I felt like ikota is the one that's gonna do the job for me right now, but I couldn't even go. I felt like it's so far. I'm too hungry to drive all the way to Emakotin. So yeah, I got myself in Nando's. I'm just gonna eat. I am so hungry. I feel like I could even eat the whole cow, like ngendlela engilabe ngayo. I'm even lazy to show you the things that I got. So I was looking for curtains and I bought the curtain lace and the normal curtain. The size is 5 meter and it was 850 for both. And also got the rods for the curtain because the ones that I have the normal curtain rail. But now because the curtain that I bought is the one with the rings, so I had to buy this. And this was 350 in color matte silver. And then this, I was just passing by and I saw this lovely rack that I really liked, and I was not even there to buy a rack, but okay, because it is so nice. It's not a small size, it's not a big, but it's just a medium, and it was going for 600 rands. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm going to change the one in my bedroom and put this one. So yeah guys, that's the only things that I bought in a China mall. So this is the lace that I got. It's a white lace, and this curtain, I got this color. So yeah, those are the things that I got in China mall. But you know, again, China mall will be there for 4 hours only to buy 2 or 3 things. But this one they made me wait because they said I should go and give them an hour or so, and when I went back after an hour they were not finished, so I had to wait about 1.5 hours for them to make the right size, the one that I was looking for. So yeah guys, let me go eat. Ndidiniwe, ndinxaniwe, ndilambile, all of the above zilapha kum. So let me go eat. I'll catch up with you later. Alright, sharp. Sharp works. For the lovely.
I was in.
Usele mathu. Wafika ukhanya ngaphi? Welcome back. It's a Tuesday today. I went to Takealot to go collect my order. I placed an order last week. I can't remember if it was Tuesday or Wednesday. So I opted for a collection and I went to collect my order today. So I just want to close this vlog, but before I close the vlog, I wanted to unbox this parcel that I went to collect. And yeah, I get so anxious every time I open a parcel from Takealot, since they delivered the wrong parcel the last time. So yeah, I ordered this Bible. It's a cute little Bible. You know, I feel like I'm not reading my Bible the way I'm supposed to, and I thought maybe if I buy a cute Bible, it's gonna inspire me to read my Bible, because I feel like I don't read it as I'm supposed to. So I saw this one on Takealot and I thought to myself, let me order myself one. This is how it looks on the outside, and voila, wow, it's so cute. It's a little bit small. I have a small hand and it almost fit my hand, but it's so cute. I love it so much. This is so beautiful. It has this silver lining over here. When you close it, it looks silver all the way down, and then when you open it, it's like this. I love it so much. I love this. And the cover, it's pure leather, and it has this space where you can be able to write your notes. And even here, you can even buy it as a gift when you want to buy somebody a gift, and then you write it over here. This is beautiful. I love it so much. And I bought two. I also bought this one for my daughter. This one is just I'm not gonna open it. She's gonna open it herself. It's just it's bigger than this one. This one is bigger, and the color is light pink, and even the cover of this one is not the same as that one. It looks like a leather as well, but a bit different than that one. Also cute. So I don't know, maybe I should open it. I don't think she's gonna have a problem if I open it, so that you can be able to see how it looks on the inside. Well, it looks cute. It looks very nice. I love it. I love it so much. So I bought this one for my daughter and this one for me. So yeah, that's that. I also received earlier on my products from Isabella Garcia. I think by now we all know that I am using Isabella Garcia. So I always buy online, and I bought myself two moisturizer, and this one, this vitamin C. I've been telling you about this one, that it's so small, but inside of the box there's 6 of them. It looks like this on the inside, and let me tell you the exact price. As I said before, if you've watched my video where I was doing my skin routine, I said these things are so expensive, and it's 1,200 rands for this small bottle, 6 of them. It's 1,200 rands. And this, it's 258 each. And then I think they gave me this one for free. I don't know what's inside. Okay, I think these are testers. It says it's a primer, it's a facial elixir. I don't know how to read this name. I think these are serums. And this one also, it's a facial elixir, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. And this one, it's a charcoal mask. Yeah, there's 5 of them. These are testers. I've never used this before, so I think they want me to try. I think I'm gonna try this. So yeah, I don't know how these ones are gonna be like on my skin, because I've never used them before. So yeah, that's that. And the total amount of these things, the 3 of these, it's 1,729, and they gave me a discount of 276, and I ended up buying it for 1,536. That is the price of everything. Hope you can be able to see. I'm hiding my address over there. So yeah guys, that's that. Those are the only things that I wanted to show you today. My Takealot order and my delivery from Isabella Garcia. So I'm closing this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for keeping on coming back. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, please do subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. From me, Utapswa Bantwana. Until next time, bye.